The Epson error code E-02 mean probably a problem with the scanner unit. The first thing to try is to turn off the printer. Detach the electrical cable, and wait for 10 minutes. Then, insert the cable, and try to print again. Check the ink cartridges. Epson cartridges can give literally every type of error. Check if the cover of the scanner is perfectly closed. In the back of the cover, there is one or more pins that must fit inside a slot in the printer. If the cover is out of position, you'll have an error message. Turn off the printer and correctly close the cover. Then, try to print again. If nothing works, check the connections of the scanner unit. Detach the electrical cable. Remove this screw. Remove this plastic plate. Check if the flat cable is correctly inserted. Opening the cover more and more times could detach the cable, or there could be a bad contact. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to a video on how to remove and clean the Epson scanner unit.